there, and welcome to the Natural Cures channel. If you or a loved one are suffering from the pain and stiffness of osteoarthritis in your knees, hips, or spine, then you're going to want to pay close attention to this video. Today we're going to share with you a wonder supplement that can actually help repair the damaged cartilage in your joints and significantly reduce your arthritis pain. Stay tuned until the end, because we'll also tell you how to know if your arthritis is getting better. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about what's actually happening in your body when you have osteoarthritis. You see, the ends of your bones are covered with a soft, cushioning tissue called cartilage. When you have osteoarthritis, that cartilage starts to break down and wear away. This causes the bones to rub together, leading to pain, swelling, and stiffness in the joint. We know how frustrating and debilitating osteoarthritis can be. It can make simple daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even just getting out of a chair incredibly painful. But here's the good news. There are supplements you can take that can actually help repair that damaged cartilage and reduce your pain. And the star of the show is glucosamine. Glucosamine is a natural compound that's found in healthy cartilage. It's a building block that your body uses to make the substances that form cartilage. When you take glucosamine supplements, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs to repair and rebuild that cartilage. Now you might be thinking, can a simple supplement really make that much of a difference? The answer is a resounding yes. Glucosamine has been extensively studied, and the research shows that it can significantly reduce arthritis pain and improve joint function. In fact, glucosamine has been used to treat osteoarthritis in Europe since the early 1980s. Studies from countries like Portugal, Spain, and Italy have shown that glucosamine is as effective or even better than anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen at relieving arthritis pain. Here's the really impressive part. While drugs like ibuprofen may provide faster pain relief, initially, studies have shown that people who took glucosamine actually had 3 times less pain after 8 weeks compared to those who took ibuprofen. And unlike ibuprofen, which only masks the pain, glucosamine actually helps repair the underlying damage to the cartilage. So how exactly does glucosamine work its magic? When you take glucosamine supplements, the glucosamine gets absorbed into your bloodstream and makes its way to your joints. There, it stimulates the production of the building blocks needed to form new cartilage. Think of it like this. If your cartilage is like a crumbling brick wall, glucosamine provides the bricks and mortar needed to repair and rebuild that wall. Over time, as your body incorporates the glucosamine into new cartilage tissue, the cartilage in your joints becomes thicker, smoother, and more cushioned. This means less friction, less inflammation, and less pain for you. Now, we mentioned that glucosamine is the star of the show when it comes to repairing cartilage, but it often works even better when paired with another compound called chondroitin. Chondroitin is also a natural substance found in cartilage, and it works hand in hand with glucosamine. While glucosamine provides the building blocks for new cartilage, chondroitin helps prevent the breakdown of existing cartilage. It also helps draw water into the cartilage, keeping it hydrated and cushioned. When you take glucosamine and chondroitin together, they form a powerful 1-2 punch against osteoarthritis. So, you might be wondering, where can I get these amazing supplements? Well, the good news is that glucosamine and chondroitin are widely available over the counter. You can find them at most pharmacies, health food stores, and even online. In fact, we've made it super easy for you. In the description box below this video, you'll find links to our recommended glucosamine and chondroitin supplements. By purchasing through these links, you'll not only be getting a high-quality product, but you'll also be helping to support this channel. We put a lot of time and effort into bringing you valuable health information. And when you buy through our links, it allows us to keep creating great content like this. We would be incredibly grateful for your support. When shopping for a glucosamine supplement, look for one that contains at least 1,500 milligrams of glucosamine sulfate per day. For chondroitin, aim for 800 to 1,200 milligrams per day. Many supplements conveniently combine glucosamine and chondroitin together in one pill. It's important to note that glucosamine and chondroitin supplements may take a little while to start working. Most people start to feel an improvement in their pain and stiffness after about 4 to 8 weeks of consistent use. So don't get discouraged if you don't feel better right away. Stick with it. Of course, while glucosamine and chondroitin are powerful tools for managing osteoarthritis, they work even better when combined with other lifestyle changes. Here are a few tips to help keep your joints healthy and pain-free. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight puts added stress on your joints, so losing weight if you need to can significantly reduce pain and slow the progression of osteoarthritis. Exercise regularly. It may seem counterintuitive to exercise when your joints hurt, but regular low-impact activity like walking, swimming, or cycling can actually help reduce pain and stiffness by keeping your joints flexible and your muscles strong. Use heat and cold therapy. Applying heat to stiff joints can help loosen them up and reduce pain, while cold packs can numb pain and reduce inflammation. Try alternating between the two for maximum relief. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can make arthritis pain worse, so aim for 7 to 9 hours per night. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine and optimizing your sleep environment can help you get more restful sleep. Well, there you have it, folks. The incredible power of glucosamine and chondroitin for repairing cartilage and easing the pain of osteoarthritis. We hope this video has given you some valuable information and inspired you to give these amazing supplements a try. Remember, osteoarthritis doesn't have to keep you sidelined from the activities you love. With the right combination of supplements, lifestyle changes, and a positive attitude, you can take control of your joint health and get back to living your best life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you think could benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to the Natural Cures channel for more tips on staying active, healthy, and pain-free as you age. And once again, if you're interested in trying glucosamine and chondroitin for yourself, please check out the links in the description box below. Your support means the world to us and allows us to continue bringing you this valuable content. Until next time, keep moving forward.